All right, so we are at the Orlando International Airport. We are taking an unexpected trip.
Expected trip.
To Puerto Rico, thanks to my mother right here, who decided she was going to call us on a random Sunday.
That's true.
2 weeks ago.
Sleeping,
saying, hey, why don't we go to Puerto Rico? And here we are, 2 weeks later.
Yes, we're actually going for a wedding of his second cousin. We weren't planning on going because, you know, the budget, since you guys already know we have a lot going on already. But Mama Velez made it happen. So this is all because of her.
Yes.
And she does speak.
I do. I just don't know what to say or where to look at.
You just gotta look right at the big lens.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow in Puerto Rico.
In Mayagüez, Aguadilla, and wherever the car takes us.
And whatever she said, because I don't
Yes.
speak Spanish.
Alrighty. Nos
Okay.
vemos allá.
Okay.
Hey guys, so we're actually going to meet my brother for breakfast because I haven't seen him in probably forever, since I was 16.
And how old are you now?
I am 25.
Okay.
I always forget.
So we'll let you guys do the math. How
Yes,
long it's been?
we'll let you guys do the math. And yeah, we're so excited. Today's gonna be a really fun day. We have 2 little places we're gonna go see, and we're gonna take you guys along. We're so excited that you guys know.
Peace.
So I'm here with my brother.
Hi.
Look how tall he is. And his wife. All the love before we head out. But yes, I'm gonna miss him so much. I love him.
I love it then.
So we are going to the Finca de Girasoles, right? Yes, we're so excited.
Yeah, what is the Finca de Girasoles?
Finca de Girasoles is
Field of Gargoyles.
Field of Gargoyles. What? Really? I thought it was for real. It's a field of sunflowers. All right, we are on the side of the street, a Spanish place to eat because Mama Velez wants some rural Spanish food.
Lechonera, right there.
Right there, yep. We're here, let's see what we can get. Oh, here we go. Here she is in her natural habitat.
Hay pastel, morcillita.
Dame el pastel de qué?
De masa, de todo tipo de vianda con carne encendida.
Look at her, she's loving life. Oh, your hair looks pretty. Oh, look at the chick, the pork in the back. You can smell it.
You guys want water?
It's hot out here.
Come here to eat McDonald's. Okay? They're trying to get me to eat pollo tropical.
Yeah, we were gonna go to Applebee's, right?
Applebee's,
In Puerto Rico. you got there, honey bun?
Got a limbel.
And what is a limbel?
It's It's just like a fruit juice, and it's just really frozen. You're supposed to lick it, and then you push it up every time that, as you're getting like less and less of it, you have to push it up and you just lick it.
Okay then. All right, here we
Or
go.
bite it.
Look where we're at. It's like a little street market on a Sunday. Everyone's partying right now.
A steak bracelet?
No, I'm okay. Man, this guy is breaking it down. What's going on, guys?
Gambling.
Gambling? Horse gambling?
Horse gambling.
Fake horse gambling?
In the public streets.
In the public streets, because that's what we do.
Well,
And
you know what? At least it's not real horses, so I like that.
it's beautiful. You guys look like you're ready to go. All right, let's go. Oh my God, good Lord. Okay, here you go.
Okay, so we are coming up right here. So we are coming up over here. Oh, look how nice that is at the top. And right over here. That's cool. Here we have them here. It's a whole room.
All right, let's go. Let's go to the festival.
Yeah.
It is currently 2:30 in the morning and our flight is delayed by 1 hour. So we're gonna be taking off at 4 in the morning and hopefully arriving by 7.
To Orlando. And then we have to drive 2 more hours to Tampa. Hopefully it doesn't get more delayed. So yeah, I'm just eating here at a coconut bar. So good. It's my favorite. But yeah. Oh, you hear it?
And if you didn't know, I work at 11 o'clock.
So
Here we go.
don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and yeah, just let them know in the comments, and by liking it, it just lets them know that you guys love this, and yeah, this is more of the raw scene of it, and I'm super exhausted, but yeah, we love you guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys. Peace.